Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on what is an epic in Jira and how to create one. An epic in Jira is a large body of work that represents a big goal or feature. Instead of tracking everything as separate tasks, you group related stories and issues under one epic to stay organized. Think of it as a container for all the smaller pieces of work that contribute to a bigger objective. To create an epic in Jira, go to your project and click Create. Here, you guys can select the workspace type. Then next, you're going to click on Work Type. And under that dropdown, you're going to select Epic. You can also select the status of your epic. I selected it as To Do. Write the summary, which is a short, clear title that describes the main goal or feature. It should be specific and easy to understand at a glance. And also the description as well, which is where you explain the epic in more detail, including the objective, scope, requirements, and any important context. You can select an assignee, a label, a parent, a team. Insert the due date and start date as well, which is very helpful in timing your epic. Then once you insert all the variable, you're going to click on Create. So as you can see, our epic has been created. To view, click on View Epic at the bottom of the screen. Now you can see all the details of your epic and edit it if you want as well. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.